Hey guys, welcome to JGTechBlog. Today we're going to be doing the Moto E5 Plus unboxing. But before we get started, let's go ahead and look at some of the key features. Of course, it has 4G LTE that comes with every phone, Android 8.0, 6.0 HD display, which we'll see in a little bit, 12 megapixel rear camera with laser autofocus and LED flash, 8 megapixel front camera, 32 gigabytes of ROM, and 3 gigabytes of RAM, which is a key feature, 1.4 gigahertz octa-core processor, and then we'll see what's inside right when we open this box. Right off the bat, we can see we have a turquoise bezel, and if we flip the phone over, you can see that it has a pearl blue turquoise look, very shiny, very reflective. Now, one of the cons to this kind of material is that it has a lot of smudges. If you hold your phone a lot, you're going to see that you're going to get a lot of smudges over time, and it's best to keep a microfibril cloth nearby to clean it up. On the back here, you can see that we have the Motorola symbol, and this serves as the thumbprint. So right off the bat, you can have your phone, and in the back right now, I'm clicking on the button if you want to open up your phone. And on the camera, you can see it kind of looks like a smiley face. Just a little fun feature Motorola threw in there. On the side, we can see that we have the SIM card slot, and then on the right side, we have the volume buttons, and on the bottom, we have this power button. Now, one really cool thing about this power button, it has kind of a serrated texture, so you can't really see it in the camera, but you can feel it with the finger, so you can distinguish if you're not looking at your phone directly that this is the power button and these are your volume rockers. Alright, let's see what else we have in this box. We have your typical user guide if you want to get really into the technicalities of how your phone works, or a reference guide in case you run into any technical difficulties. We have our warranty, legal, safety, regulatory, all that copyright stuff. Then we have your SIM card and your SIM slot key to open your SIM card holder on this side. And of course, we have the power brick and the micro USB cable. So that's what comes in the box. We can open up the phone a little bit just so you can see kind of the front display. This uses Android 8.0. Really nice screen, vivid colors. Now guys, let's talk a little bit about the camera. We have a 12 megapixel camera on the back and an 8 megapixel camera on the front. And we'll talk a little bit more about this phone in future videos. But that's all for the unboxing today. Thank you guys for watching. And if you guys like this video, please thumbs up.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.